While most sellers are still chasing these same keywords, there is a goldmine of high-converting search terms your competitors haven't even found yet. In this video, you will learn advanced keyword research tactics that actually work and how to build a keyword list that fuels both listing and PPC campaigns. In this video, we will be using Data Dive, and if you want to try this tool yourself, you will find the link below in the description, and don't forget to use Orange Klik coupon code to get 20% off your subscription.
Hey everyone, Nikki here from Orange Klik. Are you ready to learn the new Amazon keyword research strategy for this year? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Data Dive to uncover hidden keywords, outsmart your competitors, and get your Amazon FBA product rankings on page 1. And don't worry, this isn't just for advanced sellers. This training is perfect for beginners, private label sellers, or anyone looking to improve their Amazon SEO this year. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a master keyword list that becomes the foundation of every listing, every PPC campaign, and every ranking push you'll run by this year or next year. So grab your notebook, this one's packed with actionable steps. Here's what we are going to cover today: why the old keyword research methods don't work anymore, how to uncover high-converting keywords your competitors are missing, a step-by-step guide to building your keyword bank using Data Dive, the secret to prioritizing keywords for both organic ranking and PPC, and a real-world example where I'll optimize a live listing using Data Dive. Stay with me till the end. I'll also give you a simple action plan you can use right away. Let's start with why the old keyword research methods don't work nowadays. Back then, keyword tools focused too much on search volume. Everyone chased the same 20 keywords, which led to high competition and wasted ad spend. But Amazon have gotten smarter. They now prioritize relevance, conversion rate, and customer intent. In 2022, you could rank just by targeting resistance bands set, but today you might spend $5,000 in PPC chasing that term, while missing easier, better converting keywords like non-slip booty hands for squats. Now let's talk about how Data Dive completely changes the game. With Data Dive, you can compare your product to competitors side by side. It uncovers keywords your competitors missed and builds a master keyword list ranked by relevance and priority. It also groups terms by intent clusters like workout, rehab, gym, travel, or for seniors. If I'm selling resistance bands, Data Dive might reveal resistance bands with door anchor with 1,677 search volume with 90% relevancy, or these home gym resistance bands with 943 search volume per month and 90% relevancy, or these resistance bands with clips, which has 932 monthly searches and 90% relevancy, and only 6 out of 10 top competitors are ranking within the top 20 for this keyword. That's a keyword gap, and it's where your biggest opportunity lies. When you spot keyword gaps, you look for terms with relevancy above 40% and focus on green-colored medium to high volume keywords. Integrate in title, bullet points, description, and backend. An example would be workout bands for men with 1,168 search volume per month with 80% relevancy, or resistance bands for working out with 122,370 search volume per month with 70% relevancy. And lastly, resistance bands with handles with 1,085 search volume per month and 80% relevancy. These hidden gems are the gold mines most sellers never find. Here's how to build your master keyword list step by step. First, run a competitor deep dive and extract shared keywords, the ones most competitors rank for. Highlight gap keywords, the ones nobody's targeting, and add long tail modifiers like rehab, home workout, gym, travel, or if you're targeting seniors, for seniors. And lastly, organize everything by search volume, intent, and opportunity. This becomes your keyword playbook. Every listing you launch, every ad you run, it all starts here. No more guessing, no more wasted ad dollars. Type master list in the comments if you see how powerful this strategy can be. Now let's talk about how to prioritize your keywords. Core keywords, you should put this in your title and bullets. Supporting keywords, however, you should add them to bullets, description, and backend. Long-tail keywords, you can use these for PPC and backend search terms. For example, for title, you can use resistance bands for home workouts, while in the bullets, you can use glute activation, hip thrusts for yoga, seniors rehab. And for backend, misspellings or other languages like resistance bands or bandas de resistencia. Alright, now for the fun part, a real hands-on walkthrough using Data Dive. Let's use an example resistance bands for home workouts. I start by running competitor analysis in Data Dive, and it instantly shows which keywords top sellers rank for, which ones they are missing entirely, and which keywords drive the most sales. Sure, resistance band set has huge search volume, but it's crowded and expensive. Instead, Data Dive reveals easier wins like weight bands with 4,587 search volume. 3 out of 10 competitors are not ranking at all within the top 50. Resistance band set, which 1 out of the 10 competitors are also not ranking at all. Mostly are yellow. Resistance bands with door anchor, which has almost 2 out of the strong competitors are not ranking at all. Home gym resistance bands as well. All those with green, like this one as well, full body resistance bands with 90% relevancy. However, 2 to 3 top competitors are not ranking from it. Heavy resistance bands as well. Heavy resistance bands with hook, and this one, resistance bands for strength training, which has 10,735 search volume and 80%. Gym bands resistance as well with 80% relevancy, and around 5 out of 10 competitors are green. So these are our keyword gaps. Banda de resistencia should be with our backend search terms, and resistance band for working out. So these are keyword gaps with, as you can see, a lot of green colored coded rankings, which means our top competitors haven't been fully utilizing these keywords in their listings. So many variations of resistance bands for working out are appearing here and is being neglected by the top competitors. So another one, bands for working out is another very good keyword to add in to our master keyword list. Exercise bands, workout bands, heavy duty resistance bands as well is also relevant, and resistance bands for men. So you can see these are all quite a lot of keyword gaps here that we have seen thanks to Data Dive's keyword master list. This is where the master keyword list becomes a weapon, and instead of chasing only the obvious competitive keywords, we can prioritize high-intent, underserved searches that my competitors overlooked. Here's how Data Dive's AI assistants or smart keyword curation boosted the listing. The effect of the new keywords. By adding highly relevant intent-based keywords from the master keyword list, your listing ranking juice jumped to 1,734,355, pushing it closer to the top competitors. High relevance terms such as resistance bands with handles, door anchor, workout bands for men improved alignment with shopper intent. Long-tail keywords such as home workouts, strength training bands for women captured niche searches and reduced competition. These improved both visibility and conversion potential. For the title optimization improvements, the new title is Resistance Bands Set with Handles, Exercise Bands Set for Training, Home, and Travel Workouts. 150 pounds heavy-duty fitness bands with door anchor and ankle straps, workout bands for men and women. The major upgrades here is that keywords now appear in logical order from root, modifier, feature, and audience. Title fits under 200 characters for full indexing. It also combines high volume and specific intent terms, raising the total ranking juice 1,275,102. And it reads naturally, improving click-through rate and keyword coverage at once. Why Data Dive's AI copywriting assistant is a game changer. Cosmo and Rufus AI writes listings using behavioral intent data, not just search volume. It integrates DataDive's master keyword list by priority and relevance. It also delivers human-sounding, keyword-rich copy that Amazon favors for conversions. And lastly, it shows real-time ranking juice impact, letting you measure performance instantly. These are the edge that you can gain by using DataDive's AI copywriting assistant. As for the strength, you have smart keyword layering. As a result, you will have higher relevance and discoverability. The AI plus data synergy that is provided by DataDive's AI copywriting assistant means faster ranking improvements. And for optimized copy, you will have better conversions and click-through rate in the long run, and measurable impact. Your listings moved up from the bottom to almost the top of the leaderboard by continuous optimization. For optimized bullet points, here is the impact of using the AI assistant. In the current bullet points outperform some AI suggestions because they kept a clear scannable structure using keyword-rich phrasing in the first three words. It also combined primary features such as adjustable resistance, handles, ankle straps with targeted intent phrases like home gym, portable solution, and muscle building. It also retained high relevance and conversion keywords in bullet openings, ensuring the listing remains indexed for both broad and long-tail terms. Now, for the individual highlights, complete training kit. It reinforces resistance bands with handles, plus home gym, plus high search volume. It boosts product context. Adjustable resistance system. It captures intent keywords like light to heavy, 150 pounds, aligning with strength training searches. As for the third bullet, versatile workout options. It adds gender-neutral targeting, men and women, and it 10 clusters like upper, lower body. Now, the fourth bullet point is premium quality construction. It keeps product durability focused with key feature terms such as reinforced clips, durable tubing. As for the last bullet point, portable fitness solution, it retains portability intent, high click-through rate keyword group that strengthens shopper purchase motivation. As a result, the refined bullets increased section ranking by 2,132 and reinforced top index terms, contributing to the listing's overall ranking juice stability for 1,707,800. As for the smart description refinement, the AI assistant version improved clarity and keyword placement. The current copywriting version slightly outperformed in ranking juice with an additional 3,368 points due to better natural keyword flow. It used relevant long-tail keywords like resistance band set with handles, door anchor, home workouts. We followed the Cosmo framework for conversion. It has clear intro, then benefits, then add in features and a natural close. As for the backend keywords, misspellings such as resistance bands or other languages such as bandas de resistencia are super niche items. For overall summary, in the title, the key improvement was we added intent-based keyword layering, and the impact is an additional ranking juice of 1,734,355. As for the bullet points, we added strong keyword first phrasing that added an additional of 2,132 ranking points. And as for the description, the natural flow plus keyword density balances and it stabilizes at 1,707,800. Overall, improve Amazon alignment with relevance plus conversion, and we can provide more consistent ranking and engagement. Why the master keyword list is your greatest asset? It's a living document, updated every 3 to 6 months. It guides listing optimization, PPC campaigns, and seasonal promos. Sellers who master keywords spend less on ads, rank faster, and build defensible listings. And that's it. Your complete guide to keyword research this year and for next year with Data Dive. We covered why old methods don't work anymore, how to build a master keyword list, and I showed you exactly how to apply it to a real product. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Orange Klik channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future trainings. And if you want me to do another walkthrough on a different product category, let me know in the comments. I'm always reading your feedback. And don't forget to try Data Dive for your own business today. Try in our coupon code OrangeClick, which will give you 20% off your monthly subscription for any plan. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Nikki from Orange Click, and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to find the best keywords and rank higher. And if you want to try Data Dive yourself, you will find the link below in the description. And don't forget to use Orange Click coupon code to get 20% discount. And if you like videos we create, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. And leave the comment below if you have any, and if you have some questions to ask about what you just watched. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to properly track the rankings of your Amazon product variations. So check this out.